This is a 2017 F150, and all of a sudden the outdoor sensor for the temperature stopped working. It actually works, but it was like stuck at like 65 degrees all the time. So if you ever try to look something up on YouTube that's absolutely not there, this is it, changing that sensor. First, I had to locate it. I'm going to show you exactly where it is. Again, this is a 2017 F150. You go to the front, you may not be able to see it, but it's right. There's the wire to it. And if you stick your hand behind this grill, right here, it sits right behind there. It's easy to take out. There it is. It sits in there. Here's the old one. Looks like this. It sits in there like this. And these little tubes stick into the frame. And there's a wire clip in the back you unclip. So all you do is you get your fingers in behind it. You pull it out. It comes out behind the frame. You plug a new one in and push it back in. That's all she wrote. Now when it's 80 degrees, my sensor says 80 degrees. I hope this helps somebody.